Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, welcome back to our podcast. We have got a very special guest today. We have 3 guests today. Whoa, give applause. On my left side is Isam. Isam, how are you?
Oh yes, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah.
Isam, what is your full name exactly?
Isam Jaki Abiyaroki Prayogo.
Oh, that's too long, but I will call him Isam. We have 2 students here, Isam and
Arira.
Arira. Arira is our student council here. Is that true?
Yeah.
What was your, how to say that? Your position
My position what?
in student council? OSIS.
Oh, I'm bendahara.
Oh, how to say bendahara, Miss? Finance? And our special guest, the latest teacher, Miss
Ari.
Miss
Okay.
Ari and Arira. There is Ari and Arira.
Arira and Ari.
Masya Allah, that's great. Guys, we have around 20 minutes and we are going to talk about a very phenomenal. Is that phenomenal?
Film.
Yes.
I think that's phenomenal. It's very viral,
Happening.
happening,
Happening
and
and popular.
popular, viral. So we're going to be talking about
Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Wow.
The title that I do really want to watch it soon. But you know what? I have a son, 21 months,
Okay.
almost 2 years. So when I talk to my wife, let's watch movie. How could we take our baby? We cannot take
Yeah.
less than 3 years old baby, right? $2 we cannot take $2. So just ask our uwa. There are a lot of uwa. We have a lot of sisters. I said so. No, I can't. So I will watch with another one. No, don't. So we would like to know. So Mr. Ari, have you watched? Not yet. Miss Ari and me, we haven't watched yet. But Arira and Isam, they have watched. So we want to know. We want to know. But first thing first, I will ask Miss Ari because I myself, I really want to watch it. How about you, Mr. Ari? Miss Ari.
Okay, Miss Ari. Okay. Actually, I really want to know about this movie because this movie is really happening
Yes,
in
exactly.
everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
TikTok, media social
Yeah.
like Instagram, everywhere, and people always talking about this
Yes,
movie,
exactly.
right? Yeah. They always talking. They always singing about the soundtrack
the song.
everywhere.
Yeah.
I really listen this movie. So today we are going to listen how good this movie. This movie from our beloved students, right?
Friends.
Friends. Okay.
So who will talk first? Arira or
Okay.
Isam?
I think it's first.
You think Isam cannot wait to talk?
We cannot really
Everybody.
excited.
Okay, Isam.
What?
Share your experience. How good is this movie? How could it become so happening, so viral? So could you please share to us about your experience watching this amazing movie?
Oh yes, that's amazing movie. I watched it in bioscope with my family, and it's so amazing, excellent, and wow, so
How do you rate it?
Very-
How to rate? 1 until 10?
10.
10. Wow.
Very amazing.
Okay, so
Most amazing, the most amazing.
What I know is the character is kind of chubby,
Well, my fam-
chubby kid, right? Chubby boy.
His name is Don. His name is Don. Don, Maya, Norman, Atta, Mary.
Oh, so the main character is Don,
Yes.
The main character is Don.
the chubby one.
But he was an orphan boy,
Orphan?
orphan boy.
Oh.
Orphan.
But I saw there are parents on the trailer.
But he is 4 years old. When he,
so that
when
passed
he
away.
passed away, but car crash.
So
When they are going to station.
the dad passed away.
Yes.
Parents, only the dad.
Only his grandma.
No.
No, grandoma.
Who passed
Oma.
Who passed away?
Mom and dad.
Oma not passed
Mom
away.
and dad.
So
Mom and
so
dad.
he
Mom
lives
and
with
dad.
his mother.
Oh.
Am I right?
No. Don is live with his grandma,
Mom.
and his parents is passed away.
Passed away.
Parents.
Yes.
Mother and mom and dad.
Yeah, it's passed
Yes,
away.
mom and dad.
It's kind of sad movie then.
When I watched that Jumbo, I'm crying because that's so sad.
Remember from Sonic the Hedgehog when Long Claw with him,
It makes me goosebumps.
Yeah.
So it's
Kung Fu
kind of
and Sonic
sad
the Hedgehog.
movie. The sad ending movie, is it?
Happy ending.
Happy ending.
Yeah.
How cool.
Spoiler. I'm sorry. Spoiler.
Spoiler.
Yeah.
Right.
Spoiler. What?
Just feel it, right? It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm curious because I'm really curious about that.
For me, Jumbo film is good about if you have a kids, you can watch that with your
We can.
apa ya? I
can-
forget that.
I will take my son to
Yeah,
my relative.
you can.
Please take care of my son for a moment. I will watch movie like that.
But for me, I watched that 3 weeks ago in Living World with my cousin.
Oh, only two.
No.
You and your cousin. Oh,
No.
there are a lot.
A family.
5.
5 cousins.
Not with my family, but with my
Your-
cousin,
Your
my
friend.
brother, and my friends, and me and my brother again.
How long is the duration? How long?
I think 2 hours or 3 hours.
3 hours?
But
It's Harry Potter. 3 hours.
but when I watched that, a little bit late.
Late? If you watch movie, make sure you will not be late.
But I'm late because the grape
Oh.
grape car.
Grab car.
Yeah, that's why.
Ask some question, Miss Ari. Ask some question too.
Okay. What genre of the movie?
I don't know about that, but I think it's adventure.
Is it adventure?
But I don't know adventure or no.
Comedy.
Yeah, comedy and
Romance?
no romance because it's for kids. And I think for me,
Action.
Jumbo is 10 out of 10. I need Jumbo too.
Action? Is there any action?
No?
No. How could you say action?
Wait, let me think. Is it action? What the genre? But for me, it's comedy. Yeah, comedy, comedy, and
Most funny.
yeah,
But there are a lot of people crying because of this movie, right?
yes.
So how could you say that comedy, but you cried of that comedy movie?
I cry
Atta
like
and his brother.
3 times because
Oh, in the tree. Wow, that's. But you keep saying that as a comedy movie, you cried at 3 points of that movie.
yes, because Atta and his
Atta.
brother is so sad. Atta.
Atta. Who is Atta?
Who's Atta?
Atta.
An antagonist character. Then and now he is team of Jumbo. Joining the team of Jumbo.
In the beginning, he is the antagonist character.
Antagonist.
First, yeah, beginning.
Of course, yes.
But when the last movies, I think pas
What password do you
When
pass?
when
no
when
when yeah when
so fun.
How to say
pas
what?
mau hampir
Almost.
terakhir. Yeah, almost and it's Atta is jealous with Don because he have a good friend. He has a good friends, and also Don is almost has what Atta wants.
So Atta is a boy.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, forget that.
Atta is a boy.
Oh, I
Yeah,
hear
Atta is
Jumbo.
boy.
I hear
Don's friend.
Jumbo song.
Yeah, we will sing a song. So
I hear.
I mean, what did you get from watching this movie? What kind of moral value you
Oh.
get? What makes this movie becoming so happening? What happened with this movie? Is it because of Rian Andriani, Miss Ari?
The
director is Rian
director,
Andriani, my friend.
director.
He's my friend. I
He is your
mean,
friend?
a komika.
Yes,
I
your
know well about
Cash,
Dian Andriani.
about Cash.
He is the first champion of the first comic in Indonesia.
Wow.
Wow.
Raditya was the MC, Panji Pragiwaksono was the MC back then, and then Andriani and
What?
Akbar from Surabaya. They were competed in the final session, and then Andriani was the first champion,
Okay.
becoming a very great director.
For
So
me,
what makes you? Oh, I think because of this, so that's why this movie is so.
yeah, for me the moral is we don't have to choose a friends because karena
No, because
Because
we can be friends at people around.
yeah,
Okay, sorry.
the viewers cannot see your face.
Okay, I'm sorry guys. Oh my god, I a little bit forget that. Okay, is it okay if I with English?
No, you
Indonesia.
might ask us how to say what. How to say what? You might ask us how to say. Okay, how to say what? You might ask us.
For me, is Jumbo is awesome and
awesome and
the moral is you can be friends at
Yes.
anyone and you can choose a friends because he's ugly or sometimes that's a bad word for me.
Do not look at the physical appearance.
Yes, it's called bullying.
Yes.
But after after I watch Jumbo, that's so awesome for me.
some awesome.
On that. So
Yeah.
Isam, what is the moral value you could get? And why could this movie becoming so happening?
Why?
Yeah, why? What makes this movie become so happening?
Because it's a very antagonist character.
In your opinion, this movie becoming so interesting because
What?
of the antagonist
Character.
What happened with the
Very
antagonist?
his name is Mr. Kades.
Mister?
Kades.
Yes.
Mr. Rusui. He bring a radio
Radio.
for his parents marry
Mr.
Mary and his
Kades
parents.
brings the radio
For I forgot.
Don't be nervous, come on.
You can do it. Yay!
What do you want to say?
Masukkan in English.
Masukkan.
Menyegel is
Menyegel. See, let's say see.
she marries parents into the radio in the
What?
fly over then is the burial place for his wife.
So maybe what you just said is about the climax. Yeah, maybe about the climax from that movie. The conflict, yeah.
Her parents become evil
Oh, really?
because the radio. Here's radio.
Maybe you could add some information about this part.
About radio, right?
Yes.
For when I watched that, I think the parents is become a villain because who is the villain, right? I forget that.
Joker.
Not Joker. Yeah,
That's another movie.
Kades, I think. Yes, Kades. Yeah, his villains because he's not. Apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya terima?
Accept.
He said because what is kuburan?
Cemetery or grave?
Yeah, grave. His grave his grave wife is being
How to say that? Digusur ya?
yeah digusur.
How to say digusur misalnya?
Under construction.
Digusur. God.
Because
I forget that word.
because tanahnya itu mau dibuat
The
pembangunan.
land is going to be built a new building. So the
Yeah.
grave will be displaced.
Yeah,
Revenge.
he wants to revenge.
Become
Yeah, for real.
revenge.
Oh, I got it.
And then the saddest is when I saw Don parents, he's make a comic for Jumbo.
Don parents.
Yeah,
But you told me that Don parents
Yeah.
got accident.
iya pas away. But apa sih?
Like one.
Belum waktu
How to
sebelum
say that?
before
How to say that?
his parents pass away.
Just like the Hobbit and the Lord of the Ring. How to say
The
that?
story of Bubble Island.
The past story.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah,
Bubble Island.
and
Rewind. Is that rewind? Yeah.
yeah.
Rewind. I'm sorry. Rewind. There's a rewind part. Rewind part. Oh, okay. Rewind.
And I love Atta brother.
Because he's handsome.
But he's broken in his legs.
It's like Nusa. What do you
No.
mean broken? Broken bones.
His brother Atta.
Brother
His
Atta.
brother Atta is his legs.
His leg
It's broken.
is broke.
But is it? Does it look like Nusa? Do you know Nusa Rara?
Yeah.
When he is born. When he's born
Born.
without legs.
Isam, what's your favorite character?
Jumbo is Don. Don.
Jumbo is what?
Jumbo is Don. Don
Jumbo is title.
title.
Yeah.
So your favorite character is
Don. I was a typo.
And Arira, your favorite character is
I love Mary and
Mary and.
Mai and
So they are Don's friend.
Then he's a villain, but now become Don's team.
but for me,
Jumbo's team.
Atta is more sad than Don
Oh, the story is
Yes, sadder.
Sadder.
because
His parent passed
Yeah.
away when Atta is baby.
oh yeah, so Atta is apa sih bisa tinggal apa sih?
Live.
Yeah.
Live.
Yeah,
Live.
Atta live with his brother, and his brother. So sad for me.
Okay.
So sad.
So Miss Ari,
Okay.
after listening to the spoiler that they have they have shared to us, what do
Okay,
you
okay.
feel right now? Do you feel I will go to the cinema after work?
Actually, this story is. I look about the trailer, right?
Yeah. I was.
I really excited actually. Listen from our friends.
Yeah.
It's look like a good movie.
Exactly.
And sad movie.
Sad movie.
And I knew a little bit of the story.
How could you know?
The trailer and listen from ini.
Oh.
And the TikTok there are a lot of a little clip, right? Actually, the movie is look like suitable about our life. Yeah,
It's related to our life.
Relate, right? It's really related to our
Probably
life.
it criticizes our society. Right?
Yeah.
Don't you think so?
Yes.
Yeah. So the best thing to criticize our society, or it could be from art, just like movie, songs.
Yes. So I listened that the animator is really really much, right? Like around how many people
Yeah,
in
there
the
are many.
movie?
There are
There are many. It's really proud of us, right?
Yeah,
The
we-
Jumbo
we are
movie is
really- we are really
really
proud of
happening.
And the animation is very great. It's
Yes.
HD, right? It's very great.
Yeah.
We could, if we dare to say it, we could compete with Disney. Let me say.
Yes, almost. Yeah, this is a really really good movie animation from our country, right?
Yes, from our
It's the biggest
nation.
one.
Yes, exactly.
Than before. This is a really
The previous movie, which is cartoon, is it Jarwo?
oh
or
yeah,
what?
Jarwo, something like that. It's better, right? Than Jarwo.
Yeah.
Do you
Do you
see Jarwo,
agree?
right?
But I like the part when when Don Grandma says, aku ingetnya pakai bahasa Indonesia. Dia bilang kayak gini,
Oh, will I cry because of this?
Okay.
I'm going to translate after this.
Okay.
I'm afraid I will cry.
Okay.
I'm kind of easy to cry.
His grandma says that cerita itu tidak akan jadi cerita kalau tidak ada pendengar kan.
Okay.
Nah, di situ si Don itu dia langsung nyadar kalau dia itu egois for me. And aku juga kasihan pas Atta.
No, keep saying English.
Wait,
Oh,
sorry.
sorry.
I forget that. And I'm crying when Atta brother is got abused from.
Got abuse?
Abuse?
It's
Wait.
physical bullying.
Yeah, like physical bullying from who?
Harassment.
Isam. Who is the villain?
Who's the film?
Mr. Kades.
Yeah, Mr. Kades.
Oh.
And
So Miss Carter did physical bullying to
he's
the brother?
jadi wait. So
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Kades is asking to his brother ask to
Mary, because
no ask to join his working with him.
Mm-hmm.
And Atta brother is say yes, and Atta says yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then part of that,
It makes you cry.
yeah. What makes me cry is when Atta drawing he and his brother. Yeah, because two of them is there not a
Two of
parents,
them?
right? Two of them or two of they? Wait.
Two of them.
Two of them.
Yeah, two of them is not live with his parents, right? Because
So the parents draw about that previous years
but
ago.
wait, I think I forget that kind of.
Okay.
So do you want to watch it, Miss Ari? Very soon? This weekend perhaps? But weekend will be more expensive, right? The ticket.
Yeah, of course. Maybe I must watch, yeah.
Yes, we must watch it.
Yeah,
You know what?
because-
My plan in senior high school, we're going to make a schedule so we could watch together. IGS goes to cinema
Oh, sounds good.
because you know in JSAN there are a lot of School of Nature, Sekolah Alam. They watch along together with the students.
Yeah.
They go together to the cinema and they will get a lot of feedback. A lot of they could cry together, right?
Yeah,
So
of course.
you wanna watch it soon?
Maybe. I gonna watch.
Maybe when senior high school will go, we could contact primary. Maybe primary will join us. It's kind of difficult
Yeah, of course, it's so difficult.
They need 12 angkot, for go swimming, right?
Yeah, it's a really big family.
Yeah. So, well, guys, thank you very much for sharing your experience watching this
Yeah.
movie. We're going to try to end this podcast by singing along to this song,
Okay. To the soundtrack, right?
To the soundtrack.
Okay, from.
Hard for me.
It's kind of hard
Okay.
for you, Mike.
When I explain that, explain I did both wrong.
Okay.
But Isam recognize
Okay.
this song.
But our friend is really good, yeah. When they story about the movie,
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
really good. We proud of you guys.
Yeah, we're so proud. Even I was thinking about having your personal retelling story, record your personal retelling story. You could retell story very well. You could join retelling story competition.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's Will you sing, Miss Ari? So Isam.
So
Okay, Isam
Okay.
and Ari lah.
Hisam and Arira.
a little bit.
Let's
I
go.
can-
Okay, let's go. We are going
Let's
to
go.
end this podcast by singing along.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Kala nanti badai kan datang, angin akan buat kau goyah. Maafkan, hidup memang ingin kau lebih kuat.
Andaikan saat itu datang, kami tak ada menemani. Aku ingin kau mendengar nyanyianku di sini.
Sedikit demi sedikit engkau akan berteman pahit luar. Bukanlah saja bila harus menangis. Anakku, ingatlah semuanya tak akan tersia. Usah kau takut pada keras dunia.
I really like these lyrics, you know.
Yeah.
So deep.
Yeah.
Takkan ada akhir. Doaku agar kau selalu arungi
Hidup berbalut senyuman di hati. Doaku agar kau selalu
bahagia meski kadang
hidup tak baik saja.
This what is it? Is it the
It's kind of hard.
nyanyian?
Nyanyian ini bukan sekedar
Nyanyian ini
bukan sekedar nada. Aku ingin kau mendengarnya dengan hatimu, bukan telinga. Ingatlah, ini bukan sekedar kata. That's kinda hard.
Maksudnya how to say maksudnya? How to
Maksudnya kelak akan menjadi makna. Ungkapan cintaku dari hati.
ungkapan
Cintaku dari hati.
Wow, thank you very much Isa, Miss Ari Radio. Close our podcast today. Thank you very much for watching. We are going to close our doors. See you on the next podcast. Enjoy watching our Jumbo movie. We need to proud to have this work in Indonesia. We need to proud to director to all all people who are involved in this project. Be proud to be Indonesian. Do not kabur aja. let's do something positive to our nation, right? Agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh. Dadah.